Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide the favorites section in My Files file manager on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the Samsung folder and then tap on My Files. In the My Files app, you want to tap on the option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on Edit Menu Options. Next, to hide favorites, you can uncheck the radio box and then tap on the back key. Now you can see here from My Files homepage, the favorites section now has been removed. And to bring it back, you can tap on the option key, tap on Edit Menu Options, and make sure you select the favorites radio box, and from there it will bring back favorites. And that is how you can show or hide favorites in My Files. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.